Hey everyone, this is Justin Biggs, and I'm going to show you today how to integrate BannerSeason with Shopify. So to jump right into this, the first step that you'll want to do is log into your BannerSeason account. And then over here on a new tab, I have logged into my Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account, you'll need to just go to zapier.com and create one. And then what I'll do here is I can click on this Make a Zap button, or this is kind of the home page here. But what do I want to automate today? Well, I want to connect Shopify, which I can pick here, with BannerSeason. So I can set this up and I can click Make a Step or Make a Zap. What I want to do is specifically on a new paid order, I want to go ahead and create a contact in BannerSeason, which I can then leverage the campaign builder inside of BannerSeason to automate sending a thank you card. So in Shopify, when a new paid order, connect it to BannerSeason, and let's create or update a contact. So I'll click on Use Zap now, and this is going to load the little builder. Okay, so step one is I've got to sign into my Shopify account here. And I'm going to grab the URL from my little demo store here. And since I'm already logged into my store, it's going to just tell me, are you sure you want to go ahead and give Zapier the ability to see all these details about your store? Yes, that is what I want to do. Okay, and so now here I am connected. So at this point, I can hit continue, and I can choose on any payment status. I want to choose paid. When the order status is open, or I could pick closed, or if I wanted to only trigger this to happen on a specific fulfillment status, I'm just going to leave these to open in any. That way, as soon as they pay for an order, it's going to go ahead and trigger. And then I can test and continue. So it's going to go get some data from my store now. And now it's moved me over to the BannerSeason side. And it says, okay, so now when a new order is paid for in Shopify, what do you want to connect it to? BannerSeason. In BannerSeason, you can only do one thing, which is create or update contacts in your address book. Of course, you can connect your address book to campaigns inside of BannerSeason. I'm going to go ahead and connect this to my BannerSeason account that I already have linked in my Zapier profile. If I didn't have this, I could add a new account here. And what this is saying is it's saying, go get your API key to access BannerSeason. And where you find that is back here on the BannerSeason account. I can come under the user menu, and then I come down here to integrations. And then you'll see the big Zapier logo here. I click on that, and then here is the API key that you need. So I can copy on that, and then I can go back over to my window here, and I can paste this in here, and I'll hit yes, continue. Okay, so now it is connected my demo BannerSeason account here, and at this point I can continue. So now what I need to do is map the fields so that the two systems can talk to each other. So if I click on this little button over here, it's going to give me all the options in Shopify. So my customer first name, that's the right field. My customer last name, that's the right field. The street address. So I can also use this little search bar to start typing in address. And what I want to do is map to the shipping address. So now I'm going to look for the city. So once again, I'm looking for the shipping address city here. There it is, shipping address city. Now I'm going to look for the state. So shipping, it might be faster if I do this, shipping, oops, sorry. So shipping address, and then I am looking for the state here. And Shopify has two, the province or the province code. It doesn't really matter which one you use there. So shipping address, and then I want to find the postal code, and then I want to find the country. So shipping address, country code. Perfect. Now, one of the cool things is I can add this into a contact list on BannerSeason. And so if I flip back here to my BannerSeason account and I come into the address book, probably what I'll want to do is create a specific group in here. So I'm going to create a new group, and I'm just going to call this Shopify Buyers, and I'm going to create this group. Okay, so you can see now I have my all contacts, prospects, and then I have Shopify Buyers, and this is where I want to put my contacts, because then I can easily link this group to a mailing campaign. So my contact list now, I'm going to go ahead and check BannerSeason and reload for choices. And you can see there's my prospects group and there's my Shopify Buyers group. And so I want to pick Shopify Buyers. Now I can link up some additional fields if I want to, like the company. So if they gave me a company name during checkout, I can link that, shipping address company. I can also check and see if they gave me an email address. And then I can also check for a phone. Did the customer give me a phone? They didn't happen to give me a phone during checkout, and that's okay. There's other fields you can map, like their birth month and birthday. This is really useful if you ask your customers for a birthday and birth month. Then you can trigger birthday campaigns and things like that. So those are not default fields that are in Shopify, so that requires a little bit of advanced programming. But once I have all of this stuff mapped into my Shopify account, now I can click continue. And Zapier is going to now give me the ability to test this, and they're going to send that over, and it's going to tell me, was it successful? And it says the contact was not updated. This was the response from BannerSeason, and it did. It was successful, and it did create a contact with this ID. So if I come back here to my address book and I just refresh this page, you'll see that now the count is 1. And if I come in here, my contact Tracy is in my contact manager here inside of BannerSeason. So at this point now I'm done and I'm good to go. So if I'm ready to turn this on, I can go ahead and click on. And now my Zap is enabled, and all of my new Shopify customers who buy something from me will be turned on. Now, it just so happens that Shopify is a premium app, and so you would need to sign up for a Zapier account, which is what this box is prompting me to do, and upgrade. And there's just a small monthly fee to use premium apps like the Shopify one with Zapier. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, our team is here to answer any questions that you might have. In your BannerSeason account, in the lower right-hand corner here, there is a chat box. You can use that to talk with us, and we look forward to helping you get set up and connecting your Shopify store to BannerSeason.